Behind me is a 5-bedroom detached chalet bungalow. The property benefits from 5 double bedrooms, 2 bathrooms as well. It's been extended to the rear, it's got a garage at the rear as well, a driveway here and also a driveway behind. Take a look inside to be absolutely wowed. And here you are coming through the front door, opening up into one of the first 5 bedrooms. Really good size, double bedroom and easy maintenance as well. If you come on through, you'll come into the 2nd bedroom, which has got fitted wardrobes, lets in a lot of abundant light, and it's got really good double glazing. The great thing is you can't actually hear the traffic. Another double bedroom in this house. So this bedroom, I would say, is probably the biggest of them all. Again, facing the front aspect of the house, low maintenance and little things to do, but a huge double bedroom. So on the ground floor of this bungalow, you've obviously got the 3 double bedrooms. You've also got access to a separate toilet and also a shower room with a toilet inside. And here we are inside the property's kitchen. Now what's great about this place is the amount of space that it has. You can easily cook, entertain, chat with guests in the dining area because it has that open plan feel. You're not getting in each other's way, which is really important when trying to sell or buy a kitchen. Now this home has really been designed very, very well. As you can see, coming in from the kitchen, you have a lovely dining area with the lovely lights there as well. And it makes a very social setting, opening up straight into the living room area. The living room area is a really good size. You can easily watch your TV, work at a desk, sit down and just relax. And here you have a very low maintenance garden. You've got a barbecue here, a garage that comes with the property, and after the garage you've actually got off-street parking as well. So as we come to the upstairs of this 5-bedroom detached chalet bungalow, you've got another 2 double bedrooms. Really good in size, really good in space, and also you've got another shower room too. And the great thing about being up in the loft of this 5-bedroom detached chalet bungalow is the benefit of the storage space that you have in the eaves of the loft. If you want to see more property tours like this, you know what to do. Just hit that like and subscribe button.